The number of deaths from Tuesday's bridge collapse in Genoa, Italy, has increased to at least 39. The search for survivors continues. 2 Greek soldiers detained in a Turkish prison for 5 months have been released. They were held for entering Turkey illegally. A crossing at the Gaza Strip has reopened after being closed for weeks because of conflict between Israelis and Palestinians that has left many people dead. And migrants continue to cross from Mexico into the United States illegally, although they face many difficulties.